So we're just outside the parking area of Villa Katie, and this is a new listing for summer 2019. High quality semi-detached property, this with a pool. It's got a large workshop underneath, and it's got pretty fantastic open views of westerly facing. Okay, so you've got all main services. This is an urbanisation with mains water, electric and waste. There's lots of extras with this property. You've got the covered carport there with a sliding gate. You could easily put a motor in that. There's awnings for shade, and this is obviously on the front terrace. It's at the end of a cul-de-sac, so therefore very quiet, very secure as well. Intercom system is in, okay, so you can access from inside. And this is essentially the front terrace, okay. So it's all secured walls, lots of retaining walls. You know, it's a solid build. I say it's one of the highest quality builds we've got around here, actually. And you've got stairs that lead down to the back terrace and the pool and the workshop. So we're going to take a look inside. There's some nice archway and porch. Okay, so into what is a very nice hallway. Okay, this has got plenty of space. Those doors lead through into the lounge. There's your fuse board and intercom for the gate, and into a separate kitchen. Okay, so this is high quality solid stone tops, electric hob, sink with a massive view over the pool terrace. Okay, so you got the hatch leading through into the dining area and lounge at the far end. Nice high ceilings. There is coving throughout. Doors are nice and light and white. Okay, so this is obviously your lounge diner. There's a wood burner all in, leading through into dining area, and then into your second lounge, which is a huge covered terrace which has been glazed. There is the hatch. Okay. All the windows are double glazed. You've got UPVC high quality glazed windows on the front there, and then leads to a massive kind of view. This is a nice office area, nice and enclosed, very light. Obviously got internet access here, no problem. And again, onto that view. So again, lots of features with this build. You've got brickwork, archways, some really nice tiles throughout. Floor tiles are nice and light. And that's a good sized room, that. Nice high ceilings, and so you've got the coving throughout. Okay, so we're going to do the 2 bedrooms on this level with 2 bathrooms. Okay, this is bedroom number 1. So you've got fitted wardrobes. General shower room and toilet. So you've got walk-in shower there. Marble surround for the sink. And then this is the master bedroom, which has the ensuite bathroom with overhead shower. Very good condition throughout. Like I say, there's lots of extras been put into this property. And then this would be the master bedroom with fantastic view, fitted wardrobe and ceiling fan. Okay, so that's the main living level, or parking level should we say. We're going to go down the external staircase to the workshop. Now this has got potential to certainly be a 3rd bedroom, almost kind of an apartment. Take a look at this. Okay, so those stairs lead round up to the parking area. So nice and practical. So in here it's all fully tiled. Excuse any bits and pieces that are kind of in the way, but obviously it's been used as a workshop at the moment. So you've got running water. Okay, this is a big sized area. And then there's also kind of like 2/3 of the area again. Okay, so this is all registered to the deeds. It's all registered as part of the build, and has huge potential ready to be almost like a self-contained apartment quite easily. You've got services down here, it's fully tiled, and then obviously you see the property from the front. So it's just a little 5 metre by 2.5, 3 metre plunge pool really. Again, all registered. And then finally, that's how it looks from the back of the property. All right, so it's obviously the corner plot, immaculate condition, very tidy, high quality build. This is listed for 179,950, and like I say, we say fully urban, mortgageable, and a very convenient spot to live. Okay, you're actually just walking distance to amenities in between Puente del Manuel and also Lavinwella Village. Okay, so if you want further information, please contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view the website at villasolutions.net. Thank you.